Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to e-file Form 1099 NEC electronically with the IRS. We'll start by understanding what this form is for and why e-filing offers significant advantages, like speed and accuracy. Then, we'll walk through the straightforward steps to ensure your non-employee compensation reports are submitted correctly and on time. This guide aims to make the process easy and stress-free for you. Before you begin e-filing, it's crucial to gather all your required information. This includes the full legal name, address, and taxpayer identification number, or TIN, for each recipient. You'll also need the exact total amount of non-employee compensation paid to them. Double-check all your business details, such as your employer identification number, or EIN, to prevent any errors during submission. Accuracy here saves time later. Next, select an IRS-approved e-filing software or service. Many options are available, some even free for a limited number of forms. Once you've chosen, carefully input all the recipient and payment data you've collected. Take your time to review every field for accuracy, as even small mistakes can cause delays. After a final check, you can confidently submit your Form 1099 NEC electronically to the IRS. After submission, you'll receive an electronic confirmation from the IRS. It's vital to save this confirmation as proof of your timely filing. Remember, the general deadline for submitting Form 1099 NEC is typically January 31st for the previous calendar year. Always keep meticulous records of all your submitted forms and related documentation for a minimum of 3 years, ensuring compliance and easy reference if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.